Hello and welcome to Mealnote. In this video, we're gonna talk about real reason to drink lemon water revealed. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Who would have thought that something as simple as drinking water with lemon in it could get so much press for being an elixir that can balance pH levels, burn fat, and clear skin? Is drinking water with lemon really as beneficial as people say it is? And does it really live up to the hype? The scientific investigation begins here. A cursory investigation into the advantages of drinking lemon water reveals claims that it helps digestion, cleanses the body of toxins, possesses antimicrobial properties, contributes to weight loss, maintains the pH balance of the body, and is beneficial to the skin. So, what exactly are the advantages of consuming water with lemon in it? The fact of the matter is that there is very little to no research to support the claim that there are significant improvements to one's health when lemon juice is added to water. Rather, lemons and water each have their own set of health benefits, and at some point in time, well-known people and people who have a lot of influence on social media stated spreading the idea that if we started our day with a glass of lemon water, we could be healthier. Let's investigate the evidence that supports each of these claims. What are the real benefits of drinking lemon water? What is just hype? Number 3. Claim. It can help you lose weight. Avoid any claims that a specific food or beverage can assist you in your efforts to reduce your body fat. To this day, there are no reputable studies to back up the claim that drinking lemon water while dieting helps one lose weight. However, a number of studies have shown that drinking water can assist in the process of weight loss. According to registered dietitian and weight loss expert Joanna Konechny, RD, drinking water can help in weight management by supporting hydration, boosting energy, and helping to regulate metabolism and digestion. However, adding lemon to water does not make it superior in terms of increasing the rate at which the fat is burned or the efficiency with which it does so. Drinking more than 1 liter of water per day was associated with weight loss in one study of overweight women who were on a diet compared to drinking less than 1 liter of water per day. The study was conducted on women. The same research found that participants who substituted water for sugar-sweetened beverages lost more weight and had smaller waist circumference and had a lower percentage of body fat. Other studies have also found that replacing caloric beverages with water can lead to weight loss. However, this is due more to a reduction in the total number of calories consumed as part of a diet than it is due to anything specific to water itself. Because water makes you feel full despite not having any calories. Drinking a glass of it before meals may help you consume fewer calories overall. The research on whether drinking water speeds up the metabolism or increases the number of calories burned is contradictory. Number 2. Statement. It's beneficial to your skin. On the skin, does drinking lemon water have any benefits? Lemons and water each have properties that are beneficial to your skin, but you don't need to drink both of them together to see results. Lemons, along with other citrus fruits, contain a significant amount of vitamin C, which is an important component in the generation of collagen. The elasticity and resilience of the skin can be attributed to the presence of collagen. Vitamin C is not only an effective antioxidant, but it also helps neutralizes the free radicals that are already present in the skin as a result of the exposure to the environmental toxins and ultraviolet radiation. Only about 6% of the daily value of vitamin C can be obtained from one wedge of lemon, in contrast to the 50% that can be obtained from an entire lemon. When compared to this, 1 cup of strawberries provides 140% of the daily value of vitamin C. Your skin is an organ, and in order to perform its functions properly, all of your organs require water. If you don't get enough water, your skin may start to lose its elasticity. However, anecdotal evidence and not scientific research support claims that drinking water makes the skin glow, improves the appearance, and reduces the appearance of the fine lines. Check to see if your urine is clear or a light yellow color. If it isn't, this could be an indication that you aren't getting enough water in your diet, and in which case, you should increase the amount of water you consume immediately. Number 1. The consumption of lemon water is said to have an alkalizing effect on the human body. According to Konechny, the notion that drinking lemon water will make our bodies more alkaline is a complete and utter myth. The kidneys ensure that the pH of our blood is not affected by the foods that we eat. This is because the foods do not have the ability to do so. When it comes to controlling pH levels, the human body functions like a finely tuned machine. Consuming a food with a higher basic or acidic content may momentarily alter the pH of urine, but this does not have an effect on the pH of blood. It's essential to keep in mind that the so-called alkalizing diet may be beneficial to one's health not because it modifies one's body chemistry, but rather because of its emphasis on eating foods that are naturally high in nutrients. Do you prefer to drink your lemon water cold, warm, or hot? What are the advantages of drinking hot water with lemon? What health benefits does drinking warm water with lemon in it have? What about if you have it in the refrigerator? According to Isabel Smith, MSRD CDN, founder of Isabel Smith Nutrition and Lifestyle, and a registered dietitian, who also holds a certificate in nutrition counseling, it doesn't really matter. She mentions that consuming it while warm can loosen things up, whether it's warm water, tea, or coffee. A lot of people claim that drinking warm liquids helps stimulate digestion, gets things moving. Konechny says there is inclusive evidence that shows drinking lemon water at a certain temperature is optimal, so choose whichever you prefer. Is there a risk of experiencing any adverse effects from drinking water with lemon? It's possible that the acid in lemons could damage your teeth. Citric acid, which is found in lemons, can erode tooth enamel when consumed in excessive amounts. If you consume lemon water on a regular basis, you might want to think about drinking it through a straw. Consuming an acidic beverage on an empty stomach first thing in the morning may cause discomfort in the gastrointestinal tract of some people. Aside from that, consuming a glass of water with lemon in it does not present any significant dangers. Does drinking water with lemon count toward the recommended amount of water per day? Yes, it's absolutely necessary for optimal bodily function to ensure the adequate hydration is maintained at all times. Consuming an adequate amount of water is essential for proper metabolism, digestion, and transport of nutrients. Because some people dislike the taste of water or find it boring, adding lemon to water in order to give it more flavor can be an effective way to encourage people to drink more water. The advantages of drinking water with lemon have received far too much attention, but the consumption of this beverage poses no dangers, with a possible exception that it could wear away tooth enamel. Proceed with lemon water in the morning if that's how you like to start your day. If you don't like the taste of plain water, this is an excellent alternative that will help you stay hydrated. However, you shouldn't anticipate any miraculous shifts in your weight, skin, or chemical makeup of your body. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go.